What's up, guys? I'm going to be playing Haunted Dome, but please, I'm not going to tell you when I came and enter this game. They say that kids should need some permission because it's kind of horror. So, this announcement. Okay, I'm gonna skip it. See what's gonna happen. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Start game. Start. Like, brother, why? Look, I didn't even think of this type of games. Okay, I had it for too long. Um, uh, Today is Sunday and I'm supposed to upload, but I didn't have any video. I'm cut. Don't know if you're gonna accept it, but didn't have any video, so you're gonna receive it like at 2. No, 11:30 maybe. Think, but oh, you're supposed to click ready. You think of that? Okay, so let's see. This thing is about to win for 5. Oh my god, I don't even have a press. This is bad. It's already bad. That's bad. I need like a press to stay, sleep. Yeah, faster sleep. Okay, the thing here is I'm going to try to win 5 with this round. So this is the first one. I hope I win. Oh my gosh, don't even have anything. Like, look at other looms. Like, brother, okay, there's that one. There's a plant, but this guy should have won for that man. But just a choice, I'm going to upgrade my bread bomb. Hey, I'm making 2 seconds. I hope that freaking demon comes and come here. Is he haunted or something? Like, I should have even gone for this one, But I appreciate this one. I can upgrade my dolls. I have that kind of money. I'm rich. Can buy an attack. Let's buy it. And if he comes like here, don't try to juggle me, brother. 50. Okay, I'm making 2, but it's nice. So I can boom upgraded 4. Like, I think when I'm doing this, it upgrades by time or so. So if I get another, it will be like around, okay. Yeah, that I did drop at school, but it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be 8. Everybody knows. Okay, look at this freaking guy. Yes, haunted, obsessed. Oh, God, thank it wasn't my freaking out. I'll be freaking out right now. Oh my God. No more. No. It's the fast one. It's the fast one. I can't. No. Yes. Extra security. Yes. Can I beat? No. What? Yes. Now making a second. I have this freakish. Oh my god, it's a pleasure ever 4. I'm dead. Wah! Okay, I'm sorry. Why did I do fast, Papa? Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna even. Thank God they're gone. Hand patches. Oh, you have a lot. Okay, I've been playing this game also. Okay, it's gonna go take. Let me on. I think that's a good item. I've played this game before. I'm not that guy from the Squid Games. I'm not that guy from Squid Games. Okay, first. It's gonna. God. And if I don't win, at least 3. I'm getting a disadvantage. Oh, yes, 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 yes. This one is the best one. I ain't gonna lie. If it has this, it's gonna give me these things of speed. Let me touch on it. Yes, those things of speed. And to be freaking nice. It's gonna be better than this. Sorry, grandma, you're going to die. Okay, it's after this to help make me a lot of money, and like this. Right now, I could go and buy this and do money, 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 money. Look at my setup, like brother. Reaching every single time. My setup. I am planning the first review. Shut up. But it has to be 11,000 views. Cause brother. Imagine being a small content creator and they mock you because you don't have enough views and they didn't know your face. Like if they know your sound, you could even say them, "Oh, that's not me," but I just want to show off, like say 11,000. I'm going to be having the privilege. If I do it, I will start vlogging with my other bro, Bluff. Shout out to him, he's a member. And there's another guy called, I'm forgetting. Yeah, he wants to be in the Rustic Bros. I will see. I'll check on it. I'm the reader. Yes, I'm the reader. I'm the oldest, smartest. I'm not a nun. Okay, I'm not going to be looking at others. I'm going to be focusing on me. Oh my god. That's a freakish girl. Can upgrade my door, Like, I've played these games before, but I sometimes I could this will be have been upgraded. And now because I'm praying, because I know, because I'm praying, and I know I'm gonna get killed if I don't pray well. So it's kind of sad. Okay, where am I speaking like more countries? Okay, guys, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe button, so you can join the Rustic Bros. Oh my brother, why me? Why me? Why me? I'm dead. And I've been getting one kill freaking bad. Yes. Guys, let's go for round 3, but I don't have that kind of energy that I had. Should I do a live stream playing this game and should I beat it? But first, I have to get 11,000. Getting the best house is the best thing. Every room they wanted is taken. What is even this? It's gone. I'm sad. Like, don't even get that cool rooms. Like, you're rushing. But now I don't know what to do. It's nice going to play online, It's kind of boring. Oof. Yeah, there's one thing that is bad. Like, you're filming yourself and you're doing a video alone, like if you're doing this for your fun, and you're laughing, you have viewers in there. It's nice. But now I'm alone in my studio filming this video, like for you guys, I could be Richard watching Mr. Bagarina. Okay, don't worry. The reason why I follow Mr. Bagger is because I don't watch his videos. It's because like at a random time go text me, a subscriber? Yes. He's a 3,000. Boom. Which have that mindset. Understand it, brother. It's the best. Ooh, it's a problem, my baby. This thing is gonna make us successful. Oh my god. The truth is going to be on the guess that song went $1,000. Yeah, cooking nice food. I'm gonna eat nice today. But if I don't get a punishment, if I lose this brother, I'm gonna face leave it on. I wanna face leave it. So I don't mind, but I'm so pretty about it. Oh my god, he's coming for me. She's coming for me, you know it. You know it. She's coming for me. Okay guys, now bye.